This is a class 9 chapter 1 number system, and I am going to teach all to represent root 2, root 3 and root 5 on the number line, okay? Or even you can say locate root 2, root 3 and root 5 on the number line. So let me start. So first I will give you all the locate root 2 on the number line before constructing root 2, okay? So here what is given is your OA is given. OA by Pythagoras theorem, OA square is given to you all, plus this AB the whole square is equal to OB the whole square, okay? Now what is my OA square? OA square is 1 unit, so 1 square, plus AB is also 1 square because 1 unit is equal to OB is something which we need to find, okay? I am not constructed yet. I will be showing it to you all. Now 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1 is equal to OB square. 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 2, okay? Now this implies 2 is equal to OB the whole square, okay? When you are taking the root or when you are taking the root or squaring on both the side, what you are going to get is root 2 is equal to OB, okay? Next let me start constructing the root 2 or representing the root 2 on the number line, okay? So you'll have to take this in inches, okay? Draw a line in inches, okay, first. So these are all in inches, okay, whatever it is. So this is -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2, okay. Next what you'll have to do is you'll have to keep this t exactly on 1, okay, here like this, and mark here exactly 90° over here, okay. Then you'll have to draw a line from that 90° whatever you have marked. Now you'll have to take exactly 1 unit this, okay, and cut. Then check if it is exactly the same 1 unit, okay. You can just check this, okay. So now join this line, okay. Now take this as your O, take this as your A, and take this as your B, okay. Now take the measurement of this OA. From that you'll take an arc, okay. Draw this thing, okay. So this line, it was your root 2, and whatever you got is root 2, okay. So what is this point? This point is root 2, okay, whatever you got, okay. So we are done with representation of this root 2. Similarly, you'll have to keep the D on this line, okay, exactly bring it over here and mark the point 90° over here. So from here to here join the line, okay. Now take exactly the 1 unit you'll have to take from here, keep it here, okay, and then cut an arc, okay, and from there you'll have to join it over here. This line you'll have to join it right here, okay, and this is your root 3. Then from keep this here and keep the other point over here, exactly take the distance of 0 to this, okay, and mark this as C, okay, and from O to C take the measurement and then take a arc, okay. So this is your nothing but your root 3. Whatever you got here is your root 3, okay. So this is your root 3 part over here, whatever you got. To do it, let me give you all this, okay. Now you'll have to locate root 3 on the number line, right? So OA square, now OA square, I have already given you all this. OA square plus this AB square plus OB square. OB is what? This, right? What we got is OA and AB is what? 1 unit each. So 1 square plus 1 square is equal to OB square. 1 square is nothing but 1 plus 1 is equal to OB square. And what it is? Root 2 is equal to OB. This I have already given you in the previous lecture. Now let us move towards this. Now we are doing what? OB square, BC square and is equal to OC square. Okay, this is what we need to find out. Now what is OB? What is OB? OB is root 2. So plug root 2 over here. It is square. So square, okay, plus BC is what? BC is 1 unit. Is equal to OC is what? We need to find out, right? Now OB is square is what? Now what is going to happen? This 2, this is going to get cancelled, okay? Now what is going to remain is 2 is going to remain plus 1 square is 1 is equal to OC square, okay? Now what you are going to get is 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3, okay? So moving towards the next part, okay, that is this one. So 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 is equal to OC square. Okay. Now this implies that root 3 is equal to OC. Can you see? Locate root 5 on the number line. Okay. See the number line. Okay. Now you all can see this OA square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Plus AB square is equal to OB the whole square. We need to find this OB square. Okay. Before that, what is OA square? What is OA? OA is, we have taken it 2 unit. Okay. So it will be 2 square. So basically it is going to be 2 square. Okay. I have put a bracket. So now plus what is AB? It is only 1 unit. Okay. So 1 unit. So 1 square. Plus is equal to OB the whole square. OB we need to find out. Okay. Now what I have done is, now 2 square is nothing but 4 plus 1 square is nothing but 1 is equal to OB square. Write it as it is. Now 4 plus 1 is 5 is equal to OB square. If you take the root or if you square on both the sides, what you are going to get is root 5 is equal to OB. Okay. So now let me give you all the representation of the root 5. Okay, let me start. So you'll have to take this in inches. Okay, draw a line in inches. Okay, first. So these are all in inches. Okay, whatever it is. So this is -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Okay. Next, so keep this D exactly on 2. Okay, I'll have to keep it exactly on 2 because we want 90 degree and we have to mark over here for the 90 degree. Okay. So once you are done marking with the 90 degree, what you'll have to take is you have to take the distance of this 1 unit. Okay. Then cut the arc from here. Okay. And then join this line from here to here, from 0 to here. Okay, so once you are done doing this is nothing but your root 5. Okay, this is your root 5. Okay, so you'll have to join this line exactly over here. This. Mark this as your O. Okay, then this has your A. And this has your B. Okay, so this mark it as your O, A and B. Okay. Now what you'll have to do is take the measurement from here, from O to B, and then cut it. Okay. Now this is what your root This will be your root 5. Okay, so this will be your root. So this is your root 5. Okay, so this portion is exactly on your 1 unit. Okay, this, and this is your root 5. I hope you all have understood this. I hope you all have understood this, how to do construct this root 5 on a number line. Okay, and thanks for watching.